I'm Jess M., owner and founder of The Market Made. Welcome. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button, follow me on social media, like all the things. I'd appreciate it. Thank you. This has been a DIY I have been postponing for several months. I bought these table legs on sale and I didn't really know what to do with them. They've just been sitting around the house and finally I'm getting to them with this video. Basically, I couldn't decide what to do with the legs, so I decided to make it a very flexible transitional table stand where I could either use it outside for my fall decor or inside to have extra storage. And this DIY is very easy, except you will need a list of materials and supplies. So below you can shop the video for what I used and a list of supplies, so you can check out the description below. You're welcome. So yeah, let's actually get started on this DIY table. Today's the day. I'm getting to it. Let's go. Okay, so first thing is first, you need to figure out how you want to lay it out. You can either have the top facing up, or what I'm going to do is actually facing it this way so I get double storage. So that's what I'm doing. Usually you would want to take an electric sander to this, but it's actually pretty well finished and I'm just going to smooth out a couple of rough spots. Now I'm going to take a tack cloth and get off all of the residue. And then after that, I'm going to stain it. Next, I am going to stain it. Two coats done, and I think I want it a little bit darker, so I'm going to probably do another 1 to 2 coats. We will see how much energy I have for that, but so far so good. Okay, I'm back. This is the next day because I had to let the stain dry, but because of some glue spots, I do need to paint some glue. So what I'm gonna do is take black acrylic paint and I'm basically going to edge all of this to give it a more of like a rustic vintage look, but also cover up the light spots. So we'll see how this turns out. Check it out. That is definitely not gonna work. I need to think this through. Some brown paint and some water. Now to do that with the entire thing. Yeah. That took a very long time. You can't really tell in the video, but it adds a lot of dimension and depth to the wood crate from the edging it with black and basically black washing it. Next, I'm going to waterproof spray it and then attach the legs, style it, and it should be good to go. Yeah, it should be. We'll find out. I just realized that I need different screws because these are way too long. Yeah. Whoops. My neighbor's mowing. So I came inside so you could actually hear me. My neighbor was mowing, it was very loud. So I came up with an idea. Instead of using screws, I'm going to use cup hooks. It could be really cute or it could be really shitty looking. I'm hoping it's cute. Otherwise, it's gonna be a lot of wasted time. Let's see how this goes. Let's just do it. I'm gonna do it, yes. Yes, I'm doing it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. If you did, that'd be very nice of you. And remember to subscribe to the Market Made channel to stay up to date on all my videos. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, bye.